Hi, my name is Kelly Holcomb, and I'm going to give you 8 ways to help you fall asleep faster, with 2 bonuses at the end. So stick around. Have you ever struggled falling asleep, staying asleep? You either have too much on your mind, it's going 100 miles an hour, you're too excited. We have all, I'm sure, had these issues at some point or another. So, without further ado, keep your bedroom your sleep sanctuary. Don't work in your bed. Don't watch TV in your bed. Use that as a place for your comfort. So when you go to bed, your body knows that is why you're in bed. Number 2, the electronics, turn them off about 30 minutes before you go to bed, at least. Because it stays in your subconscious. Everything that you're watching. If you're scrolling on Instagram, watching TV, any of that feed goes in and it sticks in your brain, your subconscious. Feeds off of that all night long. That is actually a tip to help you wake up better as well in the morning and have a better day. But that's another video, and if you'd like to see it, comment at the bottom and I will make a video for that. Number 3, eliminate caffeine at least 6 hours before you go to bed. 4, get a consistent sleep-wake habit going. Your hours. Because your body already has a 24-hour sleep cycle. And if you get off of that sleep cycle too much and veer too much, it might become a struggle for you to get back on that schedule. So keep the window a little smaller. Number 5, meditate. There are so many benefits to meditating. 5 minutes to start. Expand it 20, 30 minutes. Number 6, try breathing with the 4-7-8 breath technique. This is inhale for a count of 4, hold it for a count of 7, and exhale for a count of 8, exhaling all of it out. Do this a couple times. It will really slow everything down so you can fall asleep. Number 7, get those things out of your head for the day. Journal. You can write down your gratitudes. You can write down what you did that day. Get those thoughts out of your head and onto a piece of paper so they're not keeping you awake at night. Number 8, do your to-dos. Write them all down the night before. Because I know, if you're anything like me, or most of the world, you have these in your head when you're laying down. All you can think of is what you need to do tomorrow. Write it down, get it out of the way. And like I said, 2 bonuses. You can snack at night. Just snack something good. Eat something good. Drink a glass of milk. Oh, that does wonders, believe it or not. No, we grow up, we don't tend to like the warm milk that our parents may have given us as children. But have a glass of milk. The second bonus, take a warm bath or shower. Warm. And if it's a bath, just sit there and enjoy. Let it wash away all that stress for the day. So if you resonate with anything in this video and you want to try one or all of these steps, tell me down below. I'd love to hear what you try and how it works for you. And hit the like button, subscribe. So when I upload a new video, you can be right back here with me, helping you ride the healing waves of your best life.